What if I told you that you're sitting on money right now and it can help you have your next best move, either upsizing or downsizing? This is called equity, and some people don't even know what equity is. Some homeowners don't even know what equity is. I'm going to be explaining what it means, what the math behind it, so that you can use your equity to either make more moves or invest into more assets. Let's jump right into it. What's going on, guys? My name is Cody, realtor with eXp Realty. I specialize in helping sellers get the most amount of money and helping buyers find the next best deal. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more valuable content just like this. And be sure to check out my social medias if you want more valuable content. And without further ado, let's explain what equity means, what the math behind it, and how you know that you have more equity in your property than you may know of. So number one, what is equity? Equity meaning that basically what you owe on the home versus what it is worth. So for example, if you have a $300,000 home and you owe about $220,000 on it, this overall meaning that you own about $80K in equity. So for that math, basically if you have a $300,000 home, you owe however much you owe on it, and whatever that medium is, that is your equity. And so the longer you own your property, the more you keep paying down, the more this is going to go up. So you regularly start building equity within about 2 to 3 years of home ownership. So if you're a homeowner and you're thinking about building equity within a year, it's not going to happen. You're going to make about, a little bit over $5,000 to $10,000, maybe even $20,000. But if your goal is to build as much equity as possible out of your property, you need to stay in it a bit longer and pay off more debt off the property if you currently owe debt on the property. If you don't owe any debt, that's good news to you. So you're probably asking, Cody, what can I do with this equity? What can I do with it? First, you can use the equity into upsizing or downsizing, or you can put it into what's called a HELOC, home equity line of credit. Basically, what you can do with this is you can use the money to pay off more debt. You can use it kind of as like a credit card of some sort. So you can use your own equity to pay off more of your own debt. Or something else that investors like to do, they like to take that out in cash and invest into more assets, into more property. So the overall goal to wrap this whole video, use your equity as an investment, not a particular luxury, like wasting your money on things. Use your equity into doing either upsizing or downsizing, putting it in a HELOC, or using it as cash and building other assets to build out your real estate portfolio, and ultimately building a real estate empire from there. But overall, guys, I hope you enjoyed the short video of the definition of what equity actually means and how to use it and what it means in your own property. Like I said, guys, if you're a seller and you have assets and you have equity in your property and you want to invest in build your real estate portfolio, be sure to contact me down in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more valuable content just like this. And be sure to check out all my social medias if you want more valuable content on top of that. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.